What's up, Calc Gang? Today we're going to be proving that this is a sphere. I know, right? Look at it. It looks pretty crazy, but it is a sphere, believe it or not. And we're going to be using algebra. Oops. We're going to be using algebra to prove it. This is like an algebra topic that you probably covered so long ago that now that you're in Calc 3, you don't even remember, but we're going to show you how to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to move everything to one side. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x. Let's just parenthesize that, plus y squared plus 4y plus z squared plus 10z is equal to 0, right? All right, so what do we do with this? Well, this is a little algebra thing, and I'm not even so good at this, but it's actually pretty easy when you figure it out. It's called completing the square. So we look at this, and we know that the equation of a sphere, you want it to be like x plus a constant squared, and you do that for y and z, is equal to a constant, because that's how you get the radius of a sphere. So how do we convert this to that? Well, what we do is we complete the square, right? So what do we do? Well, watch this. I'm just going to show you guys. X squared minus 6x. So let's say, what if we add a 9 to this? Well, we look at this and we say, oh, well, we can do something with this. We can go x minus 3 squared. And this is the formula that we want each of our things in. But where did this 9 come from? I mean, it's just we just pulled a 9 out of thin air. But what we can do is we can actually just add 9 to the other side of the equation too. All right, so let's do it for all of these. So when we look at this, we say, how can we get this into a form like this? Well, how about y plus 2 squared? So it's going to be y squared plus 4y plus 4. And this becomes y plus 2 squared. If you factor this out, it gives you that. But of course, if we did this, we have to add a 4 to the other side. That's a 4. Same thing for z. Let's do that. So 10, how about 5 and 5? Plus, so z squared plus 10z plus 25. And if you factor this out, you get z plus 5 squared, right? So we have to add our 25 to the other side. Now, if we add all these up, let's see, this is a hard math right here. Pretty sure it's 38, right? 38. And actually, we have it right here, right? So yeah, this is our equation of a sphere right here. If you look at this, you see its center is at 3, -2, -5, and its radius is equal to square root of 38 due to our equation of a sphere. So yeah, this is how you solve your problem right here. Complete the square, practice this. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And yeah, I hate algebra too, but calculus is cool sometimes.